Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change display scale in Windows 10 or 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, we need to go to our settings. I'm going to click on this Windows icon, and then I'm going to go to these settings right here. And after these settings has been opened, I'm going to open the system setting and then select the display setting, and in this display setting we'll be able to customize the display scale and also the display layout. And if you want to change the display scale, you can click on the scaling option, and then for instance I'm just going to make it smaller, so I'm going to choose this one. And actually you can also select custom scale. You can click on this button and then you can enter the custom scaling right here, but I'm just going to use the available scale from Windows. And if you want to change the display resolution, you can just go to the display resolution and you can choose the display resolution you want to apply to your Windows. And I guess that's all the way to change display scale in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.